What up, good people? Today is 2-Minute Tip Tuesday. Let's get into this video. So today we're going to talk about why is my car blowing out hot air. It's a pretty simple fix. So you know your fan blower? Yes, you may not have it on AC, or you may not have the correct fan blowing for your AC to blow out cold air. The other one is you may be low on refrigerant. Man, so if you got a small leak, take it to your local dealership or your local mechanic and see if you got a small leak. Or Freon don't leave out the car unless you have a leak. So that means you got a leak. I'm not gonna say in line and say you don't have a leak. So that means you have a leak somewhere in the system. It could be a small leak, and yeah, you be like, oh man, I didn't know. So you may take it to your local mechanic or your local dealership, and they may add dye to it and tell you to come back. Go ahead and blow it out and see, so they can see where the leak is coming from. But also you can check and see where you're driving at. It may be like a little puddle, not a puddle of water, but just a stain. If you live in a neighborhood or live in a driveway where you don't have stains on your concrete. So yeah. So the third thing is your engine filter may be dirty. And you're probably like, yo, well, how my engine filter is dirty if I'm getting hot air? Alright, so the car gotta breathe. So that's what's going on. If the engine filter is dirty, you may be getting weak flow, or like a not good flow. So it's blowing out a little hot air. A little side note tip: if the driver's side is blowing out cold air and the passenger side is blowing out hot air, that means you have a dual climate control, and the passenger side is actually on heat and the driver's on low. So that could be the problem, or the actuator is not actually opening up for the passenger side, but it's opening up for the driver's side. But if you're enjoying this video, go to smash that thumbs up button. If you're not part of our Artofspeedd family, go ahead and subscribe button. Yo, welcome to the family. I look forward to seeing you next video.